La reina Marlene presenta Entrada al Museo del Juguete.
News! Noticias! News! Noticias! I bring news from the castle. Can you guess what the toy of the day will be? ¿Saben cuál será el juguete del día? Come join me and we'll find out. ¡Acompáñenme!
Welcome to the Toy Museum. I'm Queen Marlene, and this is Edwin.
Bienvenidos!
Today, we have an exhibit on board games. We'll be learning about board games from long ago and today. Edwin, how do you say board game in Spanish?
Juego de mesa.
Juego de mesa.
You got it!
Great. How can you tell this is an old board game?
Well... Oh, it's viejo. It's old.
It is old. Can you see how the colors have faded? I think we should compare this with a new board game. And today, we had some shipments of new games arrive.
Nuevos juguetes? New toys? Can I do the unboxing? Can I do the unboxing?
You sure can.
Aha!
Well, that is a new board game. And how can you tell this is new and this is old?
Nuevo, viejo. New, old. Well, the colors in this one are much, much brighter.
Absolutely. And look how the animals look different.
Yeah, those ones are more realistic.
That's right.
This looks more like a cartoon.
Absolutely. Which gives me an idea. I think we should head over to the Toy Museum, visit with the Inventometer, and create a challenge project for everyone to work on so you can work on your own board game too.
Let's go! Vamos!
Now you get to be an inventor. Tú puedes ser un inventor. It's time for you to come up with a new idea for your game. ¿Cuál es tu nueva idea para tu juego? See you next time. Adiós.